Do you like your school? Yes, I like it a lot. How is your teacher? My teacher's name is Mr. Hasib. How often do you have class? I have class every day. What time do you go to school? I go at 9 a.m. Do you have homework? Yes, I have some every day. Do you enjoy doing homework? Sometimes, but it's hard. What do you do after class? I go home and relax. Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch in the evening. What do you like about him? He is very talented. When do you paint? I paint on weekends. Do you paint at home? Yes, I have a small studio. What do you paint? I paint landscapes. নিত্য নতুন আরও ভিডিও পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। ধন্যবাদ।